Today I'm taking you on a tour to Ocho Cascadas. At Ocho Cascadas you've got 9 open-air villas, each with a private pool or jacuzzi designed for relaxation. Ocho Cascadas was a timeshare my aunt owned for about 30 years. They had closed it down a couple of years ago and remodeled all of the villas. Absolutely gorgeous. The pictures at the beginning of this video are before the remodel. At the end of the video, you'll see some of the new pictures after the remodeling of the villas. Ocho Cascadas is probably one of the most romantic getaways in the world. The resort is located in the fashionable Concha Chinas neighborhood in the southern edge of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. It's built into the hillside in a stair-step design, allowing each villa to be totally open to the beautiful views of Banderas Bay, while maintaining privacy. Each villa has a private pool which cascades into the pool below, as henceforth named Ocho Cascadas, which means 8 waterfalls. I'd like to tell you just a little bit about Ed Giddings, the architect who designed beautiful Ocho Cascadas, as well as his wife, Patricia Giddings, who was in charge of all of the interior design, as well as the landscaping at Ocho Cascadas. Ed Giddings, architect and owner of Ocho Cascadas, was born in 1929 and passed in 1993. He was an extraordinary American architect whose buildings both in the United States and Mexico stand as monuments to his creative genius. Ed Giddings was also an artist, and his paintings reflect the imagination and bold strokes of his architectural training. Again, he did not confine himself to the ordinary. His residences and office buildings are prominent on the coast of Southern California, but his masterpieces are the revolutionary Ocho Cascadas in Puerto Vallarta and Cascadas de Baja in Cabo San Lucas. Both are prominent Mexican resorts. Patricia, Ed's wife, they were married in Mexico in early 1960s and began an exciting, creative, and romantic partnership spanning 2 countries and 3 decades. A graduate of Arizona's Institute for Foreign Trade, now Thunderbird, Mrs. Giddings, on most of Ed Giddings' architectural projects, was responsible for the interior design and landscaping, which became integral parts of the structures. Today, Patricia travels between Mexico and California and is actively involved with the management of Ocho Cascadas in Puerto Vallarta and Club Cascadas de Baja in Cabo San Lucas. I hope you enjoy these photos of Ocho Cascadas. Myself, my aunt, and many family members spent many years coming here and totally enjoyed it. Ocho Cascadas is located about 5 minutes south of Old Town Puerto Vallarta via taxi. When staying at Ocho Cascadas, you can walk down the hill and you will find the Lindemar, which is a fabulous place to have breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and you can also enjoy the beach from that area. To learn more about what's going on with Ocho Cascadas today, you can go to ochoscascadas.com. At ochoscascadas.com, you'll see a wonderful photo gallery. You'll learn about all the villas, services that are offered at Ocho Cascadas, information about ownership and rental.